Hey everyone, you know what time it is. It is Dollar Tree Haul Thursday, plus it is going to be something epic that I'm going to be showing this week as well for Dollar Tree Haul Thursday. Furthermore, let's get right into it. So I start with decor. I'm going to be having this outside of my porch, which the big long rod that they be having for the garden, but I'm going to be having it onto my porch, and it's going to hang on that. And then I'm going to have this as well on my porch for outside. They're so cute, and it says look for angels in your life. They are everywhere, which is so true. And then this one says friends are the flowers and the garden of life. And I thought that this was basically so pretty, cute, for spring and all that. So that's gonna be so pretty and outside of my patio on my porch outside. And then this is what I got, succulent. I got another one, and they're so cute. And basically I'm gonna be hanging this like that. Oh, sorry, I don't want to get this other one. I'll be hanging it like this inside of my house, and it's gonna be so pretty and cute. And then this brown part right here, I'll be painting that white, and then I'm gonna stick the Spanish moth inside of this. So I'm excited to see how that is gonna turn out, and plus give it some type of greenery, feel pretty inside the house. Onto the floral flowers, I'm gonna have this for a flower arrangement within the house. I don't know which one's going to be in, but we'll see how that turns out as well. And then I saw this, I was like, oh, this is pretty and new, and it's so pretty with the pretty bluish navy blue color, and it says be you, which is like, I love that quote, which I think you should be you. And then also they had another one that was like a spring kind of like floral flowers around it, and it had words on here, but I didn't want it because like I want something different and something also to match with my theme that I have for my desk. My desk is actually this theme, which is like a bunch of leaves and like not leaves, I mean feathers and all that type of style. So I thought this would go along with that theme for my desk and inside of the living room. Also, to go with that color scheme the inside of the living room, this will be great with that. As you can tell, it's like the same type of colors. So we're gonna see how the whole living room turns out. I might do something like a picture or a video showing you how everything turned out in the living room, and then go along with non-decorated stuff. I had got this because I need it. Of course, you need those guys, for girls and women's and all that. And then I'll have this for my face because I'm tired of using a rag, so I'm going to be using these and try these out and see how it goes. And then for this, it's supposed to be hummingbird feet like it says, but I'm going to take this part off and putting these seeds in here so this will be able to get in and get their season. So we'll see how that turns out. For making my own DIY bird feeder using this one. So we'll see how that goes. And then I just got me a Sharpie because I really need a Sharpie. And I'll probably go back and get another one. I'm not sure, but I probably will. You can never have too many Sharpies. But for the epic big result that basically I'm just going to be showing you guys for also this week, plus it is something from Dollar General. So I'm super excited to see, well, not see, showing you guys, sorry, what I got, which is these and more. So I'll start with these. It says home, well, sorry, let's switch that. Welcome home. But I might take these off, I'm not sure. And I got these pretty succulents, probably keep those inside of it. And this is so pretty. Look at that, it's so pretty. I might be painting these, I'm not sure. We'll see how that goes. Basically me think if I want to do it or not, so I'll see. And I'll show you a picture, before and after, if I do decide to go ahead and paint these right there, paint that gray or something, or white. So that's what I got, 2 of those and these, so that's that. And then also with decor stuff that I got from Dollar General is this little windmill, so cute. Like, I thought that would be so cute. And then also I got this as well. And then I got another one of those windmills. So I think that'd be so cute. Like, look how that look at that. It's so pretty. So I got those along with a little bit Easter decor. I'm gonna try my best to do some decor for Easter, and yeah, I'm trying to. So, but I also want to, if I do Easter decor like this, I want to be in my color scheme. So I saw this, I was like, let me grab that, and it stands, which is awesome. So I'm pretty actually excited to decorate for this year. And then I saw this for spring, and I was like, oh, this be so cute. So I figured where I put this at. So I think they'll also be cute as well. I like how they got this right here, a little can't remember what it is, like not floral, little foil type of kind of feel vibe to it. So I think that's pretty cool looking. And then also I got this, which I am loving, guys. I got 2 of those, and it has a little burlap bow on it, and I think it's so pretty, and the color matches my whole color scheme, as you've been seeing every time I do these videos. Like, literally everywhere in my house is this color scheme, and that's what my whole house is, this color scheme of blue, mint green, and a little bit of navy bluish. Just, you know, make sure it all ties in. So, and I got these plates right here, which is the same color as this. So see, same color scheme. And it has a bow. I want to get another one of this, but they only had 1 bow, so I just grabbed it. And that's really about it, guys, for this week of my Dollar Tree haul. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope it inspired you, motivated you to go look at Dollar Tree and Dollar General for you to find these items that I showed you throughout this video. And I will catch you on my next Dollar Tree haul Thursday, because I hope this one was big and epic, like I was telling and showing you guys. So before I do go, each and every video that I put out for you guys, I give you motivation at the end of the video. Let's get into it. Stay blessed, stay humble. Always keep your thoughts in mind, and always stay positive. That's the best way to go in life. Why not? I love you guys, and I'm gonna catch you on next Dollar Tree haul Thursday. And as I always say, just Valuches. See you later.